Hello friends, Star Plus popular show Krishnachali London, who star Megha Chakraborty and Karan Bora in the lead roles. The show produced by Saurabh Tiwari. Now latest news is that the show will take a 5-year leap. In the upcoming story, Dr. Veer will be shown behind the bars on Radhe's murder charges. Krishna will become a doctor, she will become a cervical cancer specialist. News also says that young actor Mayank Arora will enter the show as Radhe. Mayank was last seen in Tu Suraj Main Sanj Piyaji. Color popular show Kabaj will soon come with the season 2. TV star Namik Pal and Deepika Singh will be seen in the lead roles on the show. Now latest news says that TV actor Harsh Bashit is also joined the cast of the show. GTV popular show Aapke Aajane Se, produced by Bodhi Multimedia, is all set to for a revamp. According to news, the makers have started find out new cast for the show. Now latest news says that TV actress Jahida Parveen, who has been part of the show like Yahan Main Ghar Ghar Kheli, Mata Ki Chauki, Punarbivah, she has been roped in for the show. Thank you so much friends for watching this video, and hit like and share this video and subscribe our channel for latest new video daily.